Meet the Baifu A1.068 aluminum double diaphragm pump running steadily on large lines for 2 years, no failures. 68 cc's per stroke, proven in high output setups. It's stable, low running cost, affordable yet quality, matching top European and American brands. Air powered with a compact, lightweight double diaphragm design for easy installation maintenance. It self-primes, handles solids, corrosive or viscous liquids, and seals tightly, no leaks. Baifu A1 offers a range of sizes and materials. The aluminum model fits coatings, glues, paints, inks, building materials, etc. It resists up to 60 C. Mild acids or alkalis, is strong, light and self-priming, no priming needed. Highly cost-effective for a stable, affordable pump. The A1.068 is ideal